You ready?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, boys? We're going to talk about my new Mercedes GLS today. I've got it pretty slammed in the back.
Can you show me how slammed it is?
It's pretty fucking slammed, come on.
You can swear in these videos.
You can't? Bam!
Wow.
I don't want it to be slammed.
So, we gotta fix this, right?
Please.
Okay.
That's...
Lupin, you stuck over there?
Oh,
on the light?
Oh.
Alright, so we need to bring the air ride back to what it's supposed to look like. This is not the hot racer boy look we're going for. Let's find the jacking point here. In the rear. Oh, you're right next to it. Alright, right there. Perfect.
There we go.
Jack her up. Yep, tighten it to the right. There you go. Is it all the way tight?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good? More? That's pretty high.
Let's see. She lifted. Alright, gotta determine what size this is. This is a 17. Oh no.
What?
So we gotta get the air guns out. It's so annoying.
You don't want to use the breaker bar. They're so big.
Yeah, they're huge.
And then you look over here at the other tires that we have.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's a lot of mud under here. But...
Hi.
Oh! Oh! Hello. I'm covered in dirt. But... I might need a littler 10 mil, but I don't know if I have one. My flashlight?
Yeah.
I put it on the bench over there.
Okay,
the table.
Well, you do the dirty work. All the important things. I'll be over here. Unboxing. Unboxing day. Look what I just got from my Amazon shop. So many moms that do that. Looks like a shoebox. Ta-da! You see that there? Fancy. It smells brand spanking new. Here, help us to break down all of the... Yeah, you get that bubble. Next one. Yeah, next bubble. Yeah. This one. Wow, good job. Okay, all done. All done for now.
Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. We don't have a lift yet, so this is the angles you're going to get. I love you. Oh.
Oh. Hi.
That's my low rider boy. He's got good fitment. Alright.
He's got good fitment.
So we have to bring this down out of here. Can you see that?
Yeah. There's like a wire you gotta disconnect.
I already did it. Oh no, maybe we go below first.
No, it's still connected. Oh, okay.
See that?
It looks pretty connected.
See, it's just a bag of air.
Yeah.
But since I disconnected it, I just can. So.
What are you even sticking your finger into it?
Well, it's just I'm squeezing it up and squeezing it out.
Oh.
But like the top has clips that I'm supposed to just rip out because we have new clips.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Rip her out, honey.
I don't know how to. It's probably like a tool you need to use for this.
I'm hiding.
You can stop recording now. Is oil gonna come out of it? Don't let any oil out of it. And that's one. It's like an accordion. Do 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 do.
What do you think, Bo? Oh, oh, oh.
He goes, I don't know about that, Dad. This is because we want to show you that you too can do this yourself. It's not hard. We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, but you had to have some kind of specific tools for this, so...
What do we have? What tools do we need?
What did you use to take that out with?
10 mil wrench.
Just a wrench, okay.
A 10 mil wrench and a 10 mil socket. That's it.
And we use the air tools for the tire, but you don't have
Just
to.
for quick things, yeah.
You could use the breaker bar and just do it normal.
They charge like $2,500, $3,000 at the dealership or any independent shop for this.
How much were these?
160 bucks. No, $120.
No.
That's it.
Oh. And how much is this?
That was very expensive, actually.
Oh, okay.
We don't
Look how protective he is. This is mine.
This is mine.
Nobody.
Okay, this is really straightforward. There's literally just a blunt end of a screw, and this plastic piece is just screwed in here. Undo that, screw it out. You have to do that. You can't reuse it because you'll break the plastic pieces when you pull it out, and then you'll just re-screw that piece in. If you screw that piece in, it'll look just like that. Pop this new rubber top on here. It's probably just a rubber isolator that fits in here like this. Little rubber divot. Let's see, can I squeeze this back in here? Not a problem. Easy. Back in its home. Just like that. All I'm doing here is reconnecting the air line to the airbag, so when you take it out, disconnect it, and when you put the bag back in, reconnect it. I love puppies. You're laying in the lug nuts. You're silly. You're silly. You're silly. I know. Alright, we gotta do this side and then we're all done, okay? Easy peasy. It's kind of crazy how easy this is. And how much they charge people to do this. I like took my glove off for like 2 seconds. My hands. See the ripples in the rubber here?
Oh wait, so then.
It's all dry rotted. So it's not all the way through, so it probably was just leaking through the rubber slowly, since this is probably still original at 102,000 miles, so this looks like a vinyl or synthetic, so kind of material. So it should be good for the rest of the life of the car, or whoever owns this next. Right back in. Don't have to do anything but slide it into the slot here. Forgot again to take out the little lock. Boom. And she's all set. The hard line in first, I guess. Pull the jack stands out. Lower it slowly. All right. So let's put some air in these and see how it does. The lifted view. This is like the monster truck view. It's so high, but you can put it in different, obviously there's different ride height presets. You can see this clearance is crazy, but looks like everything is doing what it should be doing. If you go in here, so right now we're in the raise mode. So if we click it again, we will lower. So we'll see this start to lower. The biggest thing I want to gripe on is that the right to repair is so important, and I don't think people talk about it enough, but the woman that I bought this from, this GLS, she was like, yeah, I know I gotta get it fixed, whatever, blah, blah, blah. They like quoted her several thousands of dollars to be able to replace the rear bags. I don't even think she was gonna do it. I think she was going to just put standard, like a coilover strut or a McPherson strut in the rear. It already has struts. It already has a shock in the rear, right? You can convert it into a regular spring, and it already has a shock in it, so that you don't have air ride. And I guess they put in butt connectors, or they bridge the connection on all the air ride stuff so that it doesn't work anymore, I guess. But that defeats the whole purpose of the GLS, right? Or the bigger SUVs. They're all supposed to be the smoother ride. It's supposed to have the like that kind of creature comfort, right? So it doesn't really make any sense to me. I get it for the Mercedes that don't have air ride, but they have the hydraulic suspension, because that's a nightmare. Any of the AMG series cars that have the hydraulic suspension, they want to convert it to just having a standard McPherson strut or a coilover strut suspension. Absolutely would do that, 100%. But I don't think it really makes sense in this case. So she was going to do that. Plus, any of the people that, if you read on forums, that want to get this done, it's $2,500, $3,000 to have any independent shop or Mercedes or whatever do the rear bags, and then the front's something similar. Why would you do that? This took us 20 minutes, right? So don't be afraid. Make sure to just do a little research and say, hey, even if I don't have the parts, or I don't really know exactly how to do it, if you want to go rent AutoZone or O'Reilly's, they do that. You don't have to even own the stuff. It's way cheaper in that way too. So I don't know, just a quick rant, but especially so when you're working on cars that are a little more advanced, or when you work on electric cars or hybrids or newer vehicles, when everything's locked and manufacturers don't want you working on anything, and they're like, oh, go to the dealer for everything, go to the dealer. It's like, that car's a car, right? It's all very basic components, and I know supercar owners, they'll say the same thing. They're like, oh, it's just kind of complicated, and it's not. It's all the same thing. So you read the instruction manuals, you take stuff apart in the same steps that that the manufacturer said to do it. It's so easy, and there's people that have done it already, so follow their steps, right? So be confident, do it slowly, follow the steps, but do it yourself, right? Don't pay someone to do it. So appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.